Alright, so now we have finally completed our project, our expected output. So, as expected, what do you guys think? Are you satisfied with the project?
I'm too satisfied with this project.
What were your expectations? What do you expect? Will it be bigger or smaller? Or...
I don't expect too much actually because we only have used the roll tissue and also
Plastic bottles.
plastic bottles only. So
You
yeah,
expected?
it's quite nice. It's really nice.
We are not yet. We have to. We are not still done yet. Actually, it's just the base model. If you want to customize it according to your style of customization, you can actually make your own personal customization, your creativity, put it all together, and you can make it creative in your way, right? So, as expected, we have completed the project. So, let's try it out. So we're gonna play the song without the speaker first.
So this is the sound without the speaker.
This is the maximum volume produced by the phone. Okay? And now we're gonna place it in our DIY speaker.
See?
That's a lot of amplification. Yeah, that's a lot of amplification. So yeah, it has a lot of difference, when you place it inside this portable speaker, it actually elongates, actually allows the sound waves to travel faster, to reflect on the bottle container, on the wall of the containers, and producing a louder sound. So yeah, it is pretty effective, although the difference is not that much, but still, yeah, we have some gain over this product. So yeah.
But if you want to improve more, we need to cut the whole. We need to make a smoother
Perfect circle.
hole,
Yeah,
perfect
yeah.
circle.
And we have to insulate it.
to prevent the sound from reflecting away from this speaker.
We don't want any irregular reflection of sound waves.
Yeah.
So we want everything to even out inside the container. So when the sound waves bounce, the sound particles bounce in the container, it should be even and redirecting in one direction. So you have that even sound amplification and production through the speakers. That is why we have to seal. Once we have cut out, we have to seal the openings and make it tight. There's no leakage, to make it simple. So, as we have, as in our hypothesis, we have decided that we will be using simple materials. Like we have used here will be a tissue roll, which is actually biodegradable. It can be reduced naturally. And 2 plastic bottles, on the half of 2 big plastic 1.5 liter bottles. Well, it's pretty effective. It's multi-purpose, so yeah, it really has a big function in this project. It played its role very well, and it's simple. We kept it simple. It took us about 7.5 minutes to complete the project in total.
It's a very simple project and it's easy to make. And we use a simple materials and quite satisfied with this project than the previous one, because previous one it's like very more complicated than this one. So this project serve our purpose and it's really easy to make. And what are your
How about you, Lisa? What are your opinions about it?
We don't have use to make this project. We don't have to spend our money more on this because we just have to use recycled things to make this speaker. And I think this is suitable for students because mostly boys likes to hear music louder in their room lah. but make sure don't too loud because it will disturb your neighbor beside your room.
Thanks for the advice. Well, at least you know some of the things we do.
Yes.
How about you? What do you think about this?
I like this product because it's totally eco-friendly product. It's really cheap and easy to find because the material just only the toilet tissue roll, and the bottle. And yeah, it's free, and
We can use it in many purposes. Yeah, that's right.
So Haziq, what are your thoughts about this project?
I think this product is compatible for students nowadays because to express our stress and tension, we need to hear louder music. So this thing is much useful.
Yeah, I really agree with you because we actually can create this and we don't need to take out a single cent to buy an
Yeah,
actual set
sure.
of speakers. That can be really costly. Some of us cannot afford, some of us don't have the time to go out and buy. Some of us don't really save money for this. We don't really care about buying set of speakers. Instead, we use money for other things. So when we make this product, we can actually fulfill one of our purposes.
Yeah. Besides that, this thing is not weigh too much. Just light and more compatible, so we can move it around. We can also just take out this part and this part, just then stack up together to
Right, we
minimize the
yes,
size.
I understand. You can actually conduct self modifications, customize
Yeah.
based on your style.
We can also decorate this prototype. Just put some colors, pepper colors or spray to make it more interesting, I think. But it doesn't affect the sound.
So, Danish, if you were given this product, how would you make good use of it?
How?
How?
I don't know how, but I think I have more idea to make it more, what we call, more interesting and more function. First of all, this prototype it's actually not balanced. Okay, not balanced. When there is a wind, it will easily fly away. So I think we can add up something that will make it more heavier. Yeah. We can use anything like plasticine. We can put it here or whatever. Yeah, I think I like this product. I like this project overall.
About the sound quality,
Yeah,
how,
the sound.
what do you think
Yeah.
it has changed from the basic sound
from
quality?
actually it's quite loud, but not as I expect. Because I expect it will be louder, but I think we also can use this instead of we buy it's a expensive speaker. We can use this thing. It's more cheaper. Not cheaper. It's free
Exactly.
and
Easier to obtain.
yeah, it's biodegradable thing and whatsoever. I like this.
So, if you would like to increase the volume produced by these speakers, what would you recommend to do?
What I recommend, first of all, you must make sure the volume is maximum in this phone. Okay, and then you can use a larger bottle.
Larger bottles
Yes.
as your speakers.
Yes, larger bottle.
Simple idea.
So far we have stated the advantages of this project. So how about the disadvantages of this project? Does any of you ever think of one?
Well, of course, we won't get the sound quality,
Quality is quite off.
as produced by any standard
Speaker.
original speaker set. That's obvious. We cannot. Second thing is we cannot adjust the speaker volume. We have to rely on the phone volume. So if your phone volume is up to a certain limit, that's it. It depends on your phone volume. You
The
cannot-
speaker is only amplify the sound.
Yeah, it just amplifies the sound from your phone speaker.
It doesn't maintain the quality of the sound.
Yes.
So just for everyone to hear it clearly.
What about you? How do you think it can improve your daily life?
This thing. So as we look, this thing is not much interesting. So we can. Can you repeat your question?
No, my question is, from the product we have constructed, how do you think this can improve your daily life as a student?
My daily life.
Yeah. Like, what would you undergo? What are the changes that you think you will undergo when you have a good speaker? I mean, a good set of DIY speakers in your room. How
Uh,
different would it be?
I think it doesn't change much to my life because just add some more loud entertainment for me because I love to hear music loudly. Uh, so
Well, that's still a
that's it.
change. That's still a change in you.
So what do you think about this project? Uh,
I think we make a good decision to make a phone speaker because it is cheap. We can find the material easily and we can make it just
So
perfect.
it's pretty simple to construct,
Yes.
right?
so would you use this speaker frequently if you want to? Because
I more to watch movie than hear a music. So I will use the speaker to watch a movie.
so do you think do you want to use it frequently? It's like every time you want to watch a movie, do you think that you want to use this speaker?
I think not frequently.
Not frequently.
So you prefer using headphones instead
Yeah,
because probably you want to take care of the
Environment.
sound.
but if you want to watch with your friends, you might want to use this speaker. Right?
Yeah, as you were saying something.
Does a thicker cup will affect the sound produced?
A thicker cup, we'll have to try that out instead. We can't say that it will reduce the sound or increase the sound.
I don't think the thickness of the cup will affect the sound. I think the material of the
Yeah,
cup will affect
material.
the sound.
Yeah.
The
So
harder the material.
if you use something like polystyrene, so the sound will be absorbed to the cup. So the sound that exposed to us,
Most of the sound will lost
will
to the
lost
So
surrounding.
to the
the most
surrounding.
suitable materials we use plastic.
Yeah, plastics
Probably better would
probably
be
better.
tin,
Yeah.
aluminum tin,
Yeah,
because
it's
it
better
has a
reflection.
solid surface and it has very even surface. So therefore, your sound projection and reflection will be even way better than this surface. See, like this surface, we have alternating lines. So the surface is actually not even. So when the surface is actually not even, your sound reflection is not as even as you would expect it.
So
Therefore,
thank
it
you.
shall not be that loud. So maybe our prediction would be when we use aluminum tins as our speaker, it will be louder. What do you think?
Pretty much. We will try next time.
Right. Okay.
We'll use tin instead of plastic bottles.
Right.
So Aziz, you look like have something to say.
Because this is your idea, so what do you think about this project?
Yeah, this is my project. And, and as for your question about watching movie with friend, for my answer, I will watch movies with my friend. Because technically, it will work as a phone holder. Technically, if you hold your phone like that, and you are watching with your friend, right? So there are so many people, and the sound will have to be loud. So you will have to use that speaker, so everyone will have to hear it. And technically, you have two in one project: phone holder and the speaker.
Well, in your case, saying that you want to watch movie, then that time for that situation, we can actually integrate with his idea over there. He has this
Phone
magnifier.
projector.
Yeah,
Phone
projector.
So how about we combine the phone projector with the speaker? We can get a much bigger screen and
Exactly. It depends. Sometimes if you want to use it for sound, you want to listen to music, you can just use these speakers alone. Whereas if you would like to watch a movie together with this set, we can actually combine. You can use a magnifier.
we can upgrade this project to
So
but
maybe we can do it to our next project.
yeah, maybe.
Right. Yes.
Or maybe not because
So I guess anyone else has any other opinions on it?
How about you, Farah? Actually, I really love this project because for the past 50 days, I'm trying to find really cheap speaker because my last one speakers have cannot function, broken. It's broken. So we maybe this project I can make it at my room and use it as my speakers.
That's pretty good. Yeah. That's pretty good. So Danish,
Yes.
if you would have to create your very own speaker, do you have any other design other than this design?
Other than this design,
Because this design is like too mainstream. You know, you can see like Beats speakers, for
Yeah.
example. You have this tablet mode, and then you have the speakers projecting towards us. So,
my
what would you create? What would you
my
try to output?
opinion, I will remove this bottle.
And what would you replace it with?
I will not replace it with anything.
So you just remove it
Yeah, I just remove it because
and leave it be
why?
with just this.
Yeah, it's quite loud. Yeah. No. We will not think about the stable. We can just put it like this.
But the sound will disperse to the side of the surrounding.
Yes, we can use like this.
How do you find that more
Huh?
convenient than our previous setting?
Uh, I don't know, but other than like this, instead of using cup, we can cover this with anything. You can cover this with paper or whatever plasticine, and then we can make one more hole.
But if you block the
Yeah?
opening,
Why do you want to
No,
cover it?
wait. Let me finish my idea. Okay?
Okay.
I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
Okay. We block this side, this two hole, then we make another hole here. So the hole will get out.
So does the speaker sound that because our project is now is to amplify the sound.
Yeah, I think the sound also will getting louder.
So you want to make a new
Yeah,
hole. Just
make
one hole.
not lah, maybe many hole lah, but I
Many
want to
hole?
make a hole here. And maybe we can close this hole. We can make another hole here. Like beats, you know,
Yeah,
beats
beats.
the peel one. I like that.
Or like
Ah.
the many but
There is small hole lah.
small hole but
Yeah.
a lot of them.
Yes.
But then the Beats peel is what I mentioned just now. It has actually the same function as the speaker
Yeah.
setup we have done. It's
Yeah.
a centralized
But
rope and then the speaker.
it's quite small lah. It's
So that's your idea.
save our space. You know, when we want to study, okay, this is our table. When there is that bottle, when we have that bottle, it will eat our space. You know.
So why don't we just study with earphones?
Huh? No. Studying with phone is not good. You know, it will increase our. Hey, you know?
Yeah,
Wax.
I got you.
Yes, wax.
Okay.
So you prefer to listen to
Sama
speakers,
balik, tak
music
balik. Tak
amplified
balik.
by speakers
Tak
rather
balik.
than
Yes,
headphones.
yes.
How do you think it's way different and more detailed when you're listening to headphones and speakers? Because obviously when you use headphones, the sound projected through you can hear it even clearly. It's even more defined. It's not disturbed by any air resistance or anything else in between. So, yet, what made you feel that listening to open source speakers sound better?
Because I think speakers, first of all, some people will be annoyed with the wire. You know, sometimes people don't like something in their ears. Like, so instead of they using earphone or headphone or any kind of that, they can use this speaker. I think that person must find a roommate or friend that like to hear a speaker too, so it will never disturb them.
So it depends on
Depends on
the
the
people
person.
around you.
Yes.
If they can tolerate you, then you can insist. Otherwise, you have to keep it in.
Yes. But I think most guys love to study and have a speaker with them.
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
Just like me and my roommate, we like to study with a loud surrounding.
And then in the end, you don't study, you party.
Yes.
Just change my life.
So does anyone want to add something about this project?
Yeah, why don't you ask something?
I already add something. I don't have any ideas. That's why I asked you.
Anybody? Do you have anything to add? I think that you have something to say. You can say.
I think in order for us to make the sounds better, we can cut this bottle to get a perfect angle for the reflection of sound. As we learn in physics, so the greater the reflection of sound, so the quality of the sound will get it better.
So in that case, what shape would you recommend to use as a speaker?
The shape is depend on the
The shape
material.
doesn't give any effect, just the size of the hole maybe.
Yeah, I think the shape doesn't affect
Yeah.
the sound, but the angle of the reflection.
Yes,
So
angle reflection depends on the shape. You see, like you see, or the circular shape
Okay, what
of the
shape do you
source.
suggest?
Well, let me demonstrate.
Alright.
This is your source. This is the end curvature of your bottle cover,
Okay.
of the bottle bottle. So when your sound particles are projecting towards the bottle, well, the particles with the highest energy will be at the center because they travel the most and then they reflect.
yeah.
So particles top and bottom they have lesser energy because their projection speed is same, probably the same, but they reflect shorter, they peak shorter. So therefore, the force, I mean the sound amplification is less when it's not even.
So I think the most perfect angles
Should be flat surface.
should be flat
Flat
surface.
surface. It can be either probably pentagonal shape
Yeah,
or
yeah.
hexagonal shape, or at least square or rectangular shape.
Yeah,
Because
just
you know
simple.
when it has a flat surface, all the particles will be projected evenly and reflected evenly. What do you think? What do you bear these things? What do you think?
I agree.
I agree.
So I think we all already say the advantage and disadvantages of this our project. So anybody has something to add on?
Yes, of course. I think from this project we have learned how to be tolerant and cooperative. We have, shared our ideas. We've discussed our ideas thoroughly. We have, a lot of teamwork has taken place. It's very important in working together to producing a very good outcome. We couldn't have done this without everyone, without everyone being tolerant to each other, trying to contribute something together. So yes, we have learned to be tolerant. We have learned to be cooperative. We have learned to do things together, to work together as a team, although we are from different places. So that's definitely a very good accomplishment for tonight. So, besides, we have also reached our goal for today. We made our project successful, and it is really functional. It's a really good outcome. What do you think? Both of you? I mean, both ends. I agree with you. So, what do you have to add? What do you have to add? Anything else? Nothing else? Alright, so I guess we shall sum our project for tonight for this session. It is portable and DIY smartphone speakers, and it works well. Very good. We have a demo song. So I guess that's it for tonight. We are done with our project number 2. All of us, all our people.